When the Sumatra earthquake and Indian Ocean tsunami struck in late December 2004, the effects were devastating, claiming nearly 300,000 lives spanning across 8 countries. And when Hurricane Katrina hit the U.S. Gulf Coast in September of 2005, it left behind massive destruction and loss of life. In the aftermath of these immense natural disasters, the Pacific Disaster Center was there, serving as a bridge between the scientific and decision-making communities. The Pacific Disaster Center, headquartered in Kihei, Hawaii, integrates the latest science, technology, and information products to support the disaster management process. Senator Daniel K. Inouye tells us more.
Following the 1992 Hurricane Inouye, which devastated the island of Kauai in my home state of Hawaii, I learned that with emerging technologies, we could do better in assessing and distributing critical information in a more timely and comprehensive manner to our first responders and citizens. I'm pleased to have played a role in the establishment and funding of the Pacific Disaster Center in the year that followed. It is today a robust, internationally respected all-hazards information management and analysis center, serving us at home and in the Asia-Pacific region. In fact, in the aftermath of the catastrophic Indian Ocean tsunami, the Pacific Disaster Center was a partner in the international relief efforts. And as the region has moved into its reconstruction phase, the Pacific Disaster Center is helping nations develop early warning systems that will hopefully reduce the great loss of life that the world witnessed. The Pacific Disaster Center is a wise investment at home and abroad. Aloha.
Since 2001, the East-West Center has been PDC's managing partner, helping to sustain its expanding research, development, and application capabilities into a comprehensive program for the 21st century. Catering to the Asian-Pacific region, including the Pacific and Indian Ocean regions and beyond, and with nodes on the Hawaiian islands of Maui and Oahu, the Pacific Disaster Center works with a variety of partner organizations. Its ultimate goal is to save lives and reduce losses.
The Pacific Disaster Center is an applied geospatial information center. Our core capabilities lie in the fields of information technology, data handling and analysis, risk and vulnerability assessments, and the application of these activities to humanitarian assistance programs. What we are trying to do basically is to make better emergency managers capable of making better decisions.
Following the horrendous Sumatra earthquake and Indian Ocean tsunami, global disaster risk reduction has taken center stage.
The Indian Ocean tsunami was somewhat unique in that it really was an international event. And the issues behind that now are that the international community will come together probably to do 3 things. 1, to increase cooperation between countries and agencies. Secondly, to establish early warning centers, both at a national, regional, and international level in order to save lives. And third, and most importantly, there will be a shift toward mitigation and preparedness to ensure that this type of disaster does not have the impact again that this one had.
From supplying critical information through its geographical information systems and companion map viewer, to collaborating with non-governmental organizations, federal government agencies, and the United Nations, and to effectively share the workload of processing nearly a terabyte of satellite imagery and documenting the damage to cities along thousands of miles of coastline, the Pacific Disaster Center immediately responded in the aftermath of the Sumatra earthquake and Indian Ocean tsunami.
With the advent of the tsunami, 4 things happened immediately with the Pacific Disaster Center. First, we went 24/7 so we could provide support around the clock. Secondly, we began to work with the Maui High Performance Computing Center to provide us with the support needed to handle and disseminate all of the information we were receiving. Third, we put field teams into the region to support both the combined task force activities and national activities in Phuket, Thailand, and Banda Aceh, Indonesia. And fourth, we began to support a very wide range of international, national, and local organizations, such as the ASEAN Committee on Disaster Management and others, in order to provide them with the information needed to effectively respond to this disaster.
In addition, the Center developed a website for organizations to coordinate and integrate information on relief and recovery operations in collaboration with the Australia-based company ThoughtWeb Inc. To learn more about the Pacific Disaster Center, visit the website at www.pdc.org or call 808-891-0525.